the mighty men from the tribe of Judah faced the enemy. They were told by God not to be afraid. The battle is the Lord's. It's a uplifting message and engaging melody, make it suitable for children's worship settings. Judah by Dulcinea God, this contemporary worship song focuses on the power of praise and entrusting battles to God. With my Judah, I will never look back. The battle is the Lord's, the victory is mine. Well, not specifically designed for children, it's repetitive and declarative style can resonate with younger audiences. Group of 3, Tribe of Judah Children's Ministries. Organizations like the Tribe of Judah Children's Ministry aim to instill biblical principles in young hearts through music, drama, and interactive activities. Their mission is to guide children in developing a relationship with God through Jesus Christ. Cornerstone Community Outreach Church. Shazam! If you're interested, I can assist in creating a custom children's worship song based on Proverbs 3, 5, 6, incorporating themes of trust and guidance. Would you like to proceed with that?